Hey guys, and welcome to this edition of Scruff's Garage. Today's video is purely cosmetic. A little while back I bought, kind of on a whim, an impulse buy, but this is a letter kit for the front license plate cover and the rear bumper cover for my Corvette. My car is magnetic red, and these letters are black, though you can get them in all kinds of colors. Just adds a little pop of color or contrast to the front and rear bumpers. Purely subjective and personal, but I think it's going to look pretty good, so I'll show you the before and after. Installation is pretty straightforward, as you would with any sort of decal or sticker or that sort of thing. Come with some instructions, but basically clean the bumper, maybe take a rag with some soapy water, clean the area that you're getting ready to apply the letters to. Dry that off, and then they give you some alcohol wipes, but what I found also works really well is to take a Q-tip and some isopropyl alcohol and go through, and you can really kind of get into the grooves for each of the letters. You're going to make sure you want to get out any certainly dirt or debris, but anything that may be a sticky residue or old wax. If you've waxed the car, that sort of thing, make sure all that's cleaned out so that the adhesive on the letters will stick properly. The front of the letters, if I can get this where you can see it, have this kind of white paper coating on them just to protect the front surface, and then the back has the red 3M tape on it, so you'll peel off the red backing, that's the sticky side, and then you put it into place. And then once it's where you want it and it's firmly on there, then you can peel off the white cover off of the front of it. I've done this sort of thing before, and I've found that with some of the smaller letters, like maybe in the front license plate cover, sometimes it helps to have a pair of tweezers as well, that you can kind of place things and help make sure everything is lined up properly. So like I said, pretty straightforward. I'll show you the before and after, and I'll probably do just like a speed time lapse of me applying the letters, because there's nothing really to talk through with this. You're probably just more curious how it turns out. So let's get into it and see how it looks. Okay, there you go. That's how you install the bumper letters. I think they turned out pretty well. You just gotta be patient peeling off the 3M tape on the back, but just be patient with it, and they go on. You know, test fit them, make sure you got everything lined up before you press them in. But otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. Adds a little contrast to the bumpers, and I think they should hold up pretty well. The 3M tape typically does pretty well. So if you've got any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll answer anything that I can. If you like this and enjoy this type of content, hit like and subscribe. That way you can stay up to date with whatever projects I might happen to be working on. And as always, thanks for tuning in to this edition of Scruff's Garage. We'll look forward to seeing you next time.